Hey guys, this is Karan back with another video. Today I'm going to showcase and unbox a cool watch from Seiko. No surprises there, I'm a huge Seiko fan, and being a 2020 limited edition, it had to make its way to me. So before I go on, I must give a huge shout out to all my friends, members and fellow administrators on Watch Enthusiast India, which is India's fastest growing private social media platform for watch enthusiasts and watch collectors, and also to Divers Watches Facebook group, which is the largest Facebook group for fans of Divers Watches. Now you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more watch content, and you can follow me on Instagram to participate in my daily watch journey. It really means a lot to me if you leave a comment, so go ahead and do that. This is the watch in question, and I don't know why most retailers still include the sleeve that has clear instructions to remove it before handing it off to the customer. So like I said in the introduction, this is a very special Seiko watch with the shape of the box. I think a lot of people will have already realized what this is, and obviously because of the title. So without wasting much time, let's unbox this. Let's see what's inside. Okay, right, let's put that away. This seems to be the warranty and guarantee information. Because this is the limited edition of 2020 pieces, I have a serial number of 1534. So 2020 pieces because it was released in November 2020 exclusively for the European market, and this is the movement manual for the 6R35 movement. Very nice box, in fact, very new box from Seiko. It has a padded upper section and nice metal plate there which says Seiko. So let's take this off. Okay, so the most of the limited editions that have been released under the Prospex line have limited edition mentioned underneath the lid. And that, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, is the SPB199 Mountain Glacier Europe limited edition Alpinist. Released in November 2020 and exclusive to the European market. So obviously I'm in India and it took some doing to get here. So this edition comes with an extra strap. So this is the very nice canvas strap. See, so the original Seiko straps used to be really stiff, but this is nice and soft and bendy. So I think it's gonna go well with the watch, but I'm not sure if the dial and this strap color will match, but anyhow, let's see. So let's put that away, take the watch out of its plastic. Right, so this is the SPB199. So as you can see, look at that beautiful petrol gray dial. It's somewhere gray, somewhere blue, and it shines different in different lights, but it's sunburst, so that's for sure. Also steel accents, no gold accents here, so steel colored, silver colored markers, hour markers and hands. The lume is pretty good. As with the new generation of Prospex labeled Alpinist, this comes with a date magnifier, also known as the Cyclops. Let's see. Okay, so that gives us more visibility of the hands, of the dial, shows us everything that we want to see on this watch. Okay. Thankfully, Seiko doesn't change too many things, and consequently they haven't changed the looseness of this 4 o'clock crown, which operates the internal rotating bezel compass. It kind of works the same way as it always has, and so that was a major problem that everybody faces. Whoever owns an Alpinist has complained that the 4 o'clock crown is pretty loose. Even if you just accidentally touch it, the bezel starts moving. So I don't know how useful that is for mountaineers who are actually using this for tracking the direction of travel. New strap also, grayish, greenish in color, and nice and bendy, nice and supple. Thankfully, Seiko has upped their strap game recently. So yeah, so guys, this is the SPB SPB199. Let me put it on and show you how it wears on my 7.25 inch wrist. Yeah, look at that. I think it wears nice. Pretty comfortable. I mean, there's no change in the case size as from the older Alpinist or even the latest generation of Alpinist. So you see what you get basically. It's a small sized watch. It's 39 millimeters across, without the crown, and wears beautifully. Actually, pretty compact, and I love it. 2021 being the 50th anniversary of the Seiko Alpinist. Seiko hasn't officially announced them yet, but a lot of leaks have already been showcased on social media and on various forums that there are a bunch of new Alpinists coming up. So you'll be spoiled for choice. You have some amazing watches coming up in 2021. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care.